DIY lang ni guys. This is kuan. Bahimo ko Vietnamese coffee. This is coffee with condensed, then ice. Tapos yung egg coffee. So kulang po practice guys. Pero the ingredients is there. Okay. Nice. Napoy cacao powder. I don't have cacao powder pero napoy tablia. Napoy tablia. So nasi mga powder. So dili lang na ito. Para murag tinuod. And there you go. Vietnamese coffee. Egg coffee na siya. So guys, gumawa tayo ng Vietnamese coffee. Ayan. So, meron itong coffee, egg yolk, drops of lemon, tapos condense, tsaka binibit yung egg, matagal yung beating. So, 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. So, ayan, ito na yung itsura niya. Though, yung coffee is DIY lang natin. Lahat DIY lang to. So, we'll see kung masarap ba yung gawa natin. So, Vietnamese egg coffee. So, tara, dig in. Meron din tong hot, pero medyo maano yung hot. Medyo mabusisi din. Tikman natin yung yolk na binit natin. So, it should be consumed within 30 minutes. Yung Vietnamese coffee na may, itong egg coffee. Masarap. Masarap siya pero meron siya konting eggy taste. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-strong. Unlike yung raw. Kasi meron tong lemon kaya yung nagpapabalance ng yung parang anghit. Ganon. So masarap siya guys. So guys, dinagdagan ko lang ng isang stick ng coffee at saka yung condensed milk. Nilagyan ko siya ng konti para mabalance. Ngayon medyo okay na yung taste niya. So nagkalasa na ng kape. Okay? Thank you so much.